There they go. Simply Gold Valiente, the naughty inside reality show. And on the father outside Janel's episode 30 on Perfect Pass. The naughty inside is Kiss Me and Elgin. Inside the last 600 Simply Gold, Violent and Valiente. Black Label is racing third by the Territon alongside Perfect Pass Janel's episode. Reality show Kiss Me Elgin. Racing towards the last 400 and going to the long Santana stretch run with Simply Gold Valiente. Reality show by the Territon on the further outside Black Label and nearing the finish line for runners paragraph for the lead. Reality show Territon from the outside moves up and finally Territon. Reality show Elgin, Black Label close for your Pantapecta, Kiss Me and Valiente.